Hi guys, welcome back into my channel. As you can see, I am at the Museum of Socialist Art. Established in 2011, the Socialist Art Museum houses an exhibition of 70 sculptures representing the communism era between 1944 and 1989. This museum is in my top 5 museums you must visit while you are in Sofia, and it's in my top 3 museums covering the socialist time. The adult ticket is only 6 leva and you can also buy some souvenirs. The permanent indoor exhibition is currently not available, but if you love the 20th century modern art and the socialist realism typical for that period, then it may be something interesting for you. What you see over here is a temporary photo exhibition. The statues were removed from different locations across the country and were installed in this outdoor sculpture park, which is about 7,500 square meters. You will see quite a few headstones of Lenin. I counted at least 4 of them. Most sculptures are of politicians like our first communist leader, Georgy Dimitrov. And this is Lyudmila Zhivkova. She was the daughter of Todor Zhivkov and was also the Minister of Culture between 1975 and 1981. The most impressive piece of art is this giant statue of Lenin that once stood at the city center across the Largo and the main government institutions. The museum is a bit far from the city center, but you can easily reach it by metro. The name of the metro station is sq.m Dimitrov.